Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you something cool gadget for your car. What's it? This is a wireless tire pressure monitoring system powered by Solarenergy. So let me unbox this and show you how to configure this to your vehicle. This is the English user manual. It will guide you step by step how to configure this to your vehicle. An USB cable comes with this. There are 4 gaskets and wrench to prevent from stealth. A double side tape to stick to your vehicle dashboard. And this is the monitoring system with LCD screen. The solar panel is on top of the unit. This is the micro USB port. If you cannot charge from Solarenergy, you can plug this to your cigarette lighter socket of your vehicle. Then you can charge it. There are 4 sensors for each wheels of your car. Okay guys, before install this to your vehicle, I'll show you how to customize this unit. There are 3 main buttons on top. To power on, press and hold the right button for 3 seconds. You can see blue color indicators and yellow color indicators. Blue color represent tire pressure of your vehicle, yellow color represent tire temperature. Now let's see how to customize this. Press and hold menu button for 2 seconds. Now click the menu again. Now click the right button. Now you can change the tire pressure on PSI value or bars by pressing the right button. I will set it to PSI. After that, press the menu button to confirm the changes. Now you can change the tire temperature value by Celsius or Fahrenheit by pressing the right button. I will set it to Celsius. After that, press the menu button to confirm the changes. Now you can change the high pressure value alert by pressing the left and right buttons. After that, press the menu button to confirm the changes. Now you can change the low pressure value alert by pressing the left and right buttons. After that, press the menu button to confirm the changes. Now you can change the high temperature value alert by pressing the left and right buttons. Now I will show you how to install these on the wheels. First, remove the dust cap from the wheel. Then, insert this hex nut to your wheel by turning clockwise. Then, install the front left sensor by turning clockwise. Then, screw the hex nut counterclockwise. Use this little wrench to tighten it. Now you can see the current tire pressure of this wheel. Likewise, install the other 3 sensors to the other wheels. This is how it looks like after installing the sensors. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel to see the future videos. Thank you.